If you've ever found yourself needing to reuse past proposals, you know how time-consuming it can be. But what if I told you that you could reuse past proposals with just one click? That's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Fast and easy. So why waste time starting from scratch when you can reuse proposals you've already put the effort into? Whether you're working on similar clients or need to modify an existing proposal for a new project, reusing past proposals can save you hours. I've tried some of the most popular software for this, and I'll give you my recommendation at the end of this video, along with an exclusive free trial so you can follow along with the exact software I use. Let's dive in. First, the software we'll be using today has an option built right in to easily duplicate any past proposal. It's designed to let you take a proposal you've already made, and with a single click, create a copy. This saves time, especially when your proposals follow similar structures. All you need to do is locate your proposal in the software's dashboard. Once you find it, there's a simple duplicate or reuse proposal button. Once you click it, the software automatically creates an exact copy of your original proposal. The best part? It doesn't just copy the content, it also preserves all your settings, things like client information, pricing, and formatting. From there, all you need to do is tweak a few details, like updating the project scope, pricing, or timeline. The heavy lifting is done, and now it's all about making small adjustments. Now you might be thinking, doesn't this take away some of the customization? Not at all. The software allows you to make instant updates. You can swap out sections, edit text, and even add new sections if necessary. It's a fast way to personalize while still benefiting from the time saved. Here's where this really gets powerful. If you use templates, the software allows you to apply those templates when reusing proposals. So instead of starting a new proposal every time, you simply select your template, apply it to the copied proposal, and bam, you've got a fresh proposal ready for your client. Now let's talk about the specifics of what makes this system stand out. The one-click reuse feature isn't just about duplicating the proposal. The software does more to streamline your process. It has the ability to autofill certain information based on the client's details, which means all your personal or billing info, project names, and other client-specific information is already in place. You only need to update what's different for the new proposal. If you're looking for a tool to save you hours every week, this is a game changer. I've spent way too much time reworking proposals that were already done and dusted. This software allows you to use what you've already created and reuse it with a single click. No more wasting time. And like I mentioned earlier, I'm offering an exclusive free trial of this software for my viewers. So if you want to follow along and start saving time with your own proposals, make sure to check out the link in the description below. To quickly recap, start by locating your past proposal, hit the duplicate button, and make the necessary adjustments. With the software, all the heavy lifting is done for you. It's as easy as reusing past proposals with one click. It's an incredible time saver, and when you're working with multiple clients or projects, it really makes a difference. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free trial link in the description below and start reusing your proposals with just one click. And remember, the key takeaway from this video is to stop reinventing the wheel. If you've already created a proposal that works, reuse it. It's faster, more efficient, and saves you valuable time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.